business performance is influenced by many interconnected factors. Changes in commodity prices, exchange rates, customer demand, or market conditions can significantly impact revenue and cash flow. This tool helps finance teams understand these relationships and prepare for different business scenarios. The platform generates multivariate revenue forecasts by combining historical business performance with key operational and external market drivers. Rather than relying on static annual forecasts, users can create dynamic projections that update as business conditions evolve. Forecasts are generated across multiple business units, providing visibility into expected revenue, growth trends, and financial performance over different planning horizons. But forecasting revenue is only one part of the planning process. The tool allows users to simulate different business scenarios by adjusting critical planning variables such as commodity prices, foreign exchange rates, demand assumptions, or other industry-specific drivers. As each variable changes, revenue forecasts update instantly, allowing planners to compare multiple scenarios and understand their financial implications before decisions are made. Beyond revenue forecasting, the platform evaluates the impact on working capital. Using AI-driven behavioral models, it estimates the likelihood of delayed customer payments under each scenario and identifies the proportion of accounts receivable that may be at elevated collection risk. This enables finance teams to anticipate cash flow challenges early and take proactive measures to protect liquidity. To support strategic planning, the platform includes an interactive scenario comparison environment where users can evaluate base case, optimistic, and downside scenarios side by side. Each scenario highlights projected revenue, year-over-year growth, business segment performance, and working capital exposure, helping decision-makers understand both opportunities and risks. The forecasting models can be built using internal financial data or enhanced with external economic indicators and market variables, depending on the organization's planning requirements. The result is a decision support tool that enables more accurate revenue forecasting, faster financial planning, stronger working capital management, and greater confidence in strategic decision-making under changing market conditions. To learn more about our capabilities and over 100 deployed AI solutions, contact us.